Yes, class. Yes, I can see all of you have arranged some materials with you. It's okay, beta. That's very good. So, you know what are we going to do today? Today we are going to do one activity related to multiplication. Fine. Means ki how can you do multiplication in a fun way by performing an activity. Okay. You need not to calculate the full sum. In a activity manner, you can calculate the product of two numbers. Okay. I'll be telling you activity in two ways. One is through that using sticks also, and second way you can also do it by making the paper strips. If it is not possible for you to arrange the sticks, then no problem, beta. It's not a big deal. Everybody must be having papers, craft papers or fluorescent sheets at home. So you can make strips from that, and with those strips you can perform this activity. Okay. So now let us start with that. First of all, we'll be doing multiplication by single digit. Means simple 2 digit by 1 digit. Fine. I'll be telling you the multiplication with the multiplicand of 2 digit number only. Fine. With 2 digit number and of 2 digit number. Now let's start directly. Let me share the video with you. Please, all of you, if you face any problem in screen sharing or whatever, please don't grumble. Sometimes you can easily tell me, sometimes some network issue is there, so it is not possible to share the screen properly. Okay. So I'll explain again, not a issue. No problem. Today we are going to do this work only, nothing else we are going to do today. Yes. Can you see this sheet? Can you see this sheet in front of you? This one, this sheet. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is your, this is, okay. Beta, this is your multiplication by 1 digit number. Fine. See, I have written here 12 multiplied by 3. Smaller number I am taking because it is in the starting only. Afterwards, we may perform with larger number also. Okay. But as far as activity is concerned, we will be doing it with smaller numbers. Okay, up to your level only. 12 threes are, we have, if we have to calculate 12 threes are, okay, then with activity, we are using sticks, how can we calculate it? Okay, this one activity, this one sheet, full sheet I have prepared for you. Okay, now let us see ki how can we make this answer. See this one rough sheet I have. Take 3 sticks. Everybody, first of all, take 3 sticks. Arrange the sticks in this manner. Green, I have arranged green sticks. Because some of the work I have done already, because it is not possible to do each and everything in the class. Okay, because we have, I am alone here.
Ma'am,
Okay, हाँ जी बोलो. Yes.
इसमें पेपर भी चाहिए.
Yes, you can paste it on stick paper also, on a sheet you can paste it. Otherwise, beta, when you will be performing at home, so you will be doing it in your scrapbook. Fine, I'll be sharing the message in the class group today. Just now, listen, bacha, listen to me. For now, just understand the way to do the activity. Proper activity, full sheet like this with proper decoration, neat and clean, you have to make. That you will make afterwards on your scrapbook or an A4 size sheet. After that, you can paste it in the scrapbook. Either way you can do, not a issue. Fine. Abhi, just for this time, abhi ke liye just understand ki how to calculate the product. Okay. Please mute yourself who is unmuted. Bachche, please mute yourself. Until and unless there is noise in the class now, so it is not possible to tell anything. Okay, first of all, take the three, just see how to arrange the sticks. These pasting you can do afterwards. Okay, you can paste it on a sheet or directly. Please mute yourself who is unmuted. Akash Sani, now I have muted you. After this, if you will be unmuted again, you will be removed from the class. It was Akash Sani. From the last 4 to 5 minutes, he was unmuted. Again, you are Akash Sani. Now you will be removed from the class, mind it. This is my last warning to you. And who is this? Arush Bhatia, why you are unmuting yourself again and again? Okay. Yes, beta. First of all, just arrange the three sticks. I told you to arrange different colored stick. If you don't have different colored sticks, so it's okay, no problem. Whatever the things you could have arranged, वो आपने arrange कर ली, no problem, it's okay. Okay. Arrange these three sticks. Suppose I have to multiply 12 by 3. 12 multiply by 3. Now what I will be doing? This is my ones place. This is my tens place. Okay, so I'll be arranging the stick. One stick at tens place and two sticks at ones place. Two green sticks for ones place, and one green stick for tens place, as it is 12. Okay. Arrange it in this way. Fine. Now I have to multiply it with 3. 3. Now I'll take another different color sticks. 3 sticks I will arrange in this way. Paste the sticks with each other. Okay. I have attached it with the pins, or you may attach it with Fevicol or whatever you have. Okay. Fevicol you can attach. 3 sticks in this way. This is tens place, ones, 2 sticks for ones place, because we are multiplying with 12. If there would have been 13, okay, if there would have been 13, so I'll be, see this, I'm telling you, just wait. If there would have been 13, okay, so I'll be putting one green stick here and 3 sticks here, ones place. Okay, now I am calculating with 12 and 3, so 1 at tens place and 2 at ones place. Now multiplying it by 3, yes, arrange the sticks in this way, stick with each other. Now see how to calculate their product. Now we have arranged the sticks in this way, pasted the sticks with each other like this. You have to leave some space in between. This is my ones place, this is my tens place. This is my ones place, this is my tens place. So you have to leave some space in between. Okay, at ones place, 2 sticks, at ones place, 1 stick. Fine. Now, what next? Start from the right side. Calculate these. these intersecting point, meeting point. Just wait. I have brought one. Just wait, beta, 1 minute. Yes. Now I have these bindis with me. Okay. You can take stones also. You can take buttons also. Anything, whatever you have. I have taken these bindis, and in my other sheet, I have pasted the buttons. Now, what are the meeting points? Where two sticks are meeting? Here, 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 and here. Count how many meeting points are there. Count how many meeting points.
Now three.
Paste the bindis. Why 3? कैसे 3 है बताओ जरा मुझे. टोटल काउंट करो. How 3?
Ma'am say
2. Put the bindis at the meeting. Okay. Mute yourself. Put the bindis like this at the meeting point. See, as I am putting. Where the two sticks are meeting. They are intersecting with each other. ये देखो, I have put one circle also. These start from the right side. Count these meeting points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 meeting points are there. Who is saying 3? Who is saying 5? Just put the bindis at the meeting point. Everybody. Do it with me. And mute yourself who is unmuted. Now see this, like this. In these meeting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 meeting points. So I'll be writing here 6. I'll be writing here 6. Fine. Now come to other side. Count these meeting points. How many meeting points are these?
3.
Yes. 1, 2,
3.
and 3. 3. Yes, these are 3. So I'll be writing here 3. So what is my answer? 12 threes are. Now I got my answer. 12 threes are 36. 36. See what you have to do. Once, mute yourself, please. Please mute yourself. Okay, good. Ones place, I have 2 number. See this, at ones I have 2, so I have arranged 2 sticks. Then at tens place 1, so I have arranged 1 stick. Now count, multiplied by 3. In multiplier, we have 3. So arrange 3 sticks in this way. Orange sticks. You can see the orange sticks. Fine. After these, count the meeting points, where they cut each other, where they meet each other. Start from the right side. This is the point. Start from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll write here 6. Other side, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 meeting points are there. So it becomes 3, 6, 36. So my answer is 12 threes are 36.
6.
Got it? This sheet I have made for you. See, you have to write it properly. Art integrated activity, topic multiplication, then multiply 12 by 3. Here I have pasted the buttons.
Mute yourself. Ekam G Tharleen Kaur, mute yourself.
Here I have pasted the buttons. Or rest is whatever decoration you want to do, you can do. You have to make your, learn it, how to calculate, count the intersecting points, meeting points, and then count the other meeting points. Start from the right side. This thing you have to keep in mind. So 12 threes are 36. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. ये जो आपने स्टार लगाई है मैम, ये डेकोरेट करने के लिए लगाई है?
हाँ जी बेटा. Yes, no, this is for only for decoration. This is only for decoration. This much part is calculations only, what I have shown you. Okay, these bindis you have to paste. The stars which I put that are only for decoration. Okay. Just you have to count the meeting points. Clear? Now come to another one. See this one activity. See this another one. Mute yourself, please. Who is unmuted? Still you are unmuted. I will not speak until and unless you all are muted. It's your wastage of time only. Good. Now we will be doing multiplication by 2-digit number. See, 2-digit by 2-digit. Without calculating in a long way. Otherwise, how do we calculate? Tell me. Otherwise, how do we calculate? We calculate in this way.
2 steps.
3 steps. 13. Otherwise, we calculate it 13 multiply by 12. In this way, we used to do this. In this way, we used to do. Long way, we have 3 steps. But if we don't want to do it this way, how to do it in an activity way? See this. What you have to do. This activity I have done with paper strips. Both ways I am telling you. Okay, both ways I am telling you. You can do it in either way. But you have to make both. Single digit also, double digit also. Same which I have made, same you can make. 12 threes and 13 12s. It's okay. If you want to make same, you can make same. No issues. Now see how to do it. This activity, see, this is the complete sheet which I have made for you. What you have to do now, see. I want to multiply 13 by 12. This is my multiplicand. This is my multiplier. Multiplicand, multiplier. Okay. Now, blue strips. These stands for multiplicand. First number. So 3 is at ones place. 3 is at ones place. Okay. And 1 is at tens place. So write down. If this is my ones place and this is my tens place. Okay, this is my ones place and this is my blue. I am talking about blue strips. First of all, arrange the 4 strips in this way. 1 for tens and 3 for ones. 3 is at ones place na? Ye dekho. 3 is at ones place. 3 is at ones place. So we will be doing putting 3 strips. 1, 2, 3. 3 strips in ones place like this. Just leave little space here. Ones or tens ke beech mein you have to leave little space. Fine. You can perform it by paper strips. Just cut out the paper strips of 2 different colors. Okay, and paste it in this way like this. Ones and tens. 3 strips, 3 blue strips for tens place and 1 for ones place and 1 for tens place. Got it? Now come to next. Very important. Multiplier. What is my multiplier? 12. 12. Now I am taking orange strips for multiplier. Orange sticks for multiplier. Orange strips for multiplier. So in multiplier, okay, see, this is my ones place and this is my tens place. Ones, tens. Fine, I'll be putting the strips like this. 1 strip orange here and 2 for ones. You have to leave space in between. Between the places, you have to leave the space. Now this much thing is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Up till
ma'am.
here, up till here it is okay ki how to arrange the strips or sticks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see ki what will be my answer directly by counting the meeting points. Start from the right side. Start from the right side. This is my right side. You know right side? Right hand side you know? Okay, in this what you have to do, just count these only first. Just wait, I am showing you. Just count these intersecting points first of all, not from down, just count these intersecting points only. This is a double multiply by 2 digits. Class, getting my point? This is multiply by 2 digit. So start the right side intersecting points. Intersecting point means the where two strips are meeting with each other. Okay.
6.
Yes. 1. Put the bindis at the intersecting point. 2. 3. 4. You can use big also, big bindis also. Okay, these were available with me at home, so I took these only. But whatever the things are available at your home, with that you have to perform only. We are not saying to collect any material from the market, or especially you tell your parents, you know, especially you go for us and take the material. No, please mute yourself.
Or mute yourself. Yes, mute yourself.
Those students who are unmuted, na, I'll remove you from the class. You know ki I do it. Unnecessarily, those who are disturbing the class. So count the intersecting points. Intersecting points means where the two strips cut with each other or meet each other. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6. How many meeting points are these? 6. So write down 6. Write down 6. Okay, done. Now, after this, see this point very carefully. This is the most important point in this multiplication. Count the center points. Just wait. Count the center points. See this, beta. These center points you have to count. Center points. See from here. These center points. These center points you have to calculate. Count now. These center points. Getting? ये थोड़ा in this strip it was little bit my hand slipped, so I this line is not there. ठीक है, by mistake I marked this line. Center points. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me draw it with pencil. Let me draw it with pencil. See this? Center points. Starting from here.
मैम ये कितने बनाने हैं? ओनली 1 ही बनाने हैं?
जशनप्रीत कौर.
This way, center point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now second step में you will be counting the center points. Okay. Now put the bindis at the center point. See how will you put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this sheet I have put the buttons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many points are there in center? How many meeting points are there? Yes, pick up in center. How many? 5. So write down 5 here. Write down 5 here. Okay, write down 5. See, I have written here. Now the last is count from the left side. Count this step, this intersecting point. Hanji, how many points are there at the right side?
1.
Left side. 1. Yes, only 1. Yes, only 1. So put 1 bindi here and write down 1. So what will be my answer? Can you tell me?
156.
Yes.
556.
Who is this? Who is saying? Who is saying 556? Only 1 5 is there. Only 1 5 is there. It is 1 5 6. तो क्या बना ये? What is this?
156.
Without thinking, quite everyone. So it is 156. So when we will multiplying 13 by 12, it will be 156. In this way, you have to make this activity. This is called multiplication by using sticks or paper strips. Both ways you can do. If you are using it on sticks, then also you have to paste on a paper, on a sheet. Fine. If you are using through paper strips, then also you have to paste on a paper. I am repeating the multiplication of 2-digit numbers. See, first of all, arrange the strips. Like if I want to multiply 13 by 12, so one strip like this way, blue strip, and 3 strips in this way. Then 12 is the multiplier, so 3 orange strips for multiplier, arrange in this way. First of all, count the intersecting points from the right side. This side. Intersecting point means the meeting points of 2 strips, where 2 strips meet each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have written here 6. In the second step, count the center meeting points. Beta, listen, when you are counting the first step from the right side, so you will be counting only the upper meeting points, not from the down. One's place. Okay, one's place meeting point you are counting. After this, those students who are not paying attention, it is for them. Listen to me now very carefully. These art integrated activities or whatever the activities we are doing in the class, all these have some marks which are added in your exams, in your portfolios. If you people are not performing the activities, you are not going to get marks for the same. Keep this thing in your mind, those students who are taking their studies very lightly. I know many students are there in the class, they are just concerned with the attendance only. They are not bothered about anything else they want to learn or they want to study. No, they are just bothered about the attendance. And only those students create indiscipline or problem in the class. Other students, they sit very quietly. Those who want to really want to study. Okay. Center points, beta, in the second step, count the center points. These points. These are called the center point. Tens place. This is also tens place. This is also tens place. Okay. I have written here. See, I have written here tens place and tens place. So first of all, count the place meeting points from ones place. After that, count the meeting points of tens place. This is tens place and this is tens place. Got it? I think it is more clear to you. First count the ones place and then tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes out to be 5. Now come to the last step, left hand side. Only 1 point is there. Okay. So answer is 156. Now tell me, if you want to ask anything regarding the activity, you can ask. Before I move further, let me
No,
clear
ma'am.
your doubts. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Everybody, yes.
डबल मल्टीप्लाई नहीं समझ आई
मैं कंपल्सरी है
Yes, this is compulsory. Yes.
we will make 3 charts
2. 1 with single digit. I'll be sharing the message and one video also in the class group today. You can go through the video once. Okay?
okay ma'am
Everything is written in the message. You can read the message thoroughly. And whatever the messages are given to you, na beta, make them habit to read them thoroughly. Everything is there in the message or whatever the work we are sending, but still you people ask the same thing again. So make this habit. You are growing up now. Bade ho rahe ho beta. You are not in first or second standard. Now you are in third standard. So do your work with little bit responsibility. Don't put anything on your mothers and all elders. 2. This is single digit and this is double digit. Yes, Piyush Khanna. 13 multiplied by 12, we have to multiply. This is my multiplicand. This is my multiplier. Multiplicand. Ones place. This is my tens place. Okay. So these blue strips are for multiplicand. Okay. 3. We have 3 at ones place. So 3 strips I have arranged like this and 1 strip I have arranged with at tens place. Fine. Now come to the multiplier. This is 12. Again, this is ones and tens. Again, this is ones and tens. So orange strips are for multiplier. In this way, we will be putting. Okay. This is my ones place. 2 strips. Here, dekho, 2 is at ones place. So 2 strips for ones place and 1 for tens place. 1 for tens place. Okay. Paste these strips like this. I was telling you ki when you have leave some difference space between ones and tens place. This is ones place strip. This is tens place strip. This is ones place strip. This is tens place strip. Leave some space in between. Okay. Now count the intersecting point. Just count. Start counting from the right. In 2-digit multiplication, ones and ones. This is ones place and this is ones place. These strips are ones place and these strips are ones place. Count these points. Count these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6. Okay. After that, count tens place strip. This is tens place and this is tens place. Tens place.
5.
Tens and tens. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Last May, left hand side, only 1 is pending. Sorry, only 1 meeting point is there. 1. So my answer is 156. So I hope it is clear to everyone.
yes ma'am
Did you find it interesting? Now can you perform it yourself?
yes ma'am
मैम
Okay. Sure. Anything else you want to ask?
no ma'am
Okay. Okay, then that's all for this class. Now make beautiful activities and send me. Wait. I am giving you time till Saturday. By Saturday, this activity should be there with me, with your class in charges. One was of Caterpillar. I told you that I gave you time till 2-3 days till Wednesday. And this multiplication activity you can deposit by Saturday, latest by Saturday. Okay. Now GK class we will start from 11:35.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Please share
Bye,
that
ma'am.
caterpillar activity once more.
Thank you, ma'am.
Third Chaucer,
Ma'am,
third Chaucer, wait here. Chaucer, wait here.
Yes. This is the activity of caterpillar which I told. Just wait 1 minute.